everyone and welcome back to our channel North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. And once again we have our little champ Renan with us.
Can I be a member?
Yes, always welcome son. And friends, today we are on our way to Accudate. Yeah. Coming here for the very first time. And friends, coming up was not at all easy. It was quite steep. But
the bullet
is awesome. So once again, we want to welcome each one of you to our another episode of Exploring Kerala and Motorcycle Diaries. Our Royal Enfield 350cc standard bullet is with us and three of us came together on it. Climbing the rough terrain, you can see the road, there are pebbles.
Like just like a piece of cake.
And Renan was telling Mama, for bullet, it is just a piece of cake because it is such a reliable one. And I was asking Satish, are you finding it hard to drive? And he said, no, it's perfectly fine with it. We have lots of trees on the right hand side and there is a very deep canal water going over there. So this canal water is really deep. And to my left, I enjoyed seeing bamboo trees after a very, very long time. Seeing this, I am remembering Trivandrum Zoo where we had taken pictures also last time when we visited. So bamboo tree looks awesome, right? So continue our journey with us, right? Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you at the Accudate now.
It's a real off-roading is happening.
But Osmo will keep its balance.
So this road is our yatra. Guys, okay, we need to go a little more further. So that looks nice. There are bridges though.
Mama, nice breeze.
Up till now we were climbing up, now it's kind of going down and the canal on the left, the dangerous canal, yeah, it's still going on, and in between these kind of narrow bridges are there, very, very narrow concrete bridges, and there are people onto our right who are living over there.
Water is not that much.
See, I can get you some glimpses of
Canal.
might be really deep.
Near that.
Earlier at that place I could see some fencing, but now there's no fencing.
More danger.
And now we are going down.
We thought of coming in our bike, but we decided not to do
Oh
that.
la la, this is awesome.
This is accurate.
Wait a minute. What is that?
And we are not working on that, okay?
Huh.
What is that?
Oh, this is awesome. So friends, we have reached to one spot of today, that is Accudate, Peramala Accudate. Okay, I can hear the sound of waterfall. We need to drive down a bit, then only we'll be able to get the waterfall. So don't worry, we will just have a look on our Accudate over here.
We ain't going down there.
No, we are not going on walking on the side ramps. It's highly dangerous. You can come and have a look on
It's quite dangerous, I feel, because don't go that side.
Bus, I'm over here.
Yeah.
On
Renan?
the safety. They have made nice concrete one.
Mama,
Right?
what is it? Deep, right?
It's really
It's deep.
deep. Banker deep it is.
And if
I
you
don't know
fall
how
there,
many
you can't
feet,
go
but it
down.
looks really dangerous because I can see when the flood comes or when it is a rainy season.
It's between two mountain, I think.
See the water color on the
Yeah.
sides, I can see till there the water gushes. So just imagine the depth of this canal. So it's actually not at all permissible and advisory to walk on this open ramp. Had it been a railing onto the both the side, then it is still safe to walk.
Yeah.
I really wanted all my friends to have a look when I walk through, but I'm sorry guys,
And,
Satish is not giving me permission because it is not at all safe.
The reason
There are
I'm telling you this is
there's no safety.
It's
safety plus it's slippery. There's
Yeah.
so much of that, what do you call
Algae on
algae
that.
are there.
Yeah.
It's between two mountains, I
I
feel.
think the only way you can get past here is to prone and go like this, crawl like this.
Yeah, but that also is dangerous. We might disbalance, and if we fall this side, we're gonna have a horrible fall straight into the water,
Horrible death.
and I don't know, but they have made it good. Anyway, this place is nice. Where is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, shoes and socks will become
Yeah,
there.
canal is here. So I think that we'll better go down and check the waterfall. No?
So we are continuing our journey down to our second most exciting spot. That's a
Waterfall.
yes, that's a waterfall.
I don't know whether the waterfall is there or not.
But we are getting the sound.
So we go and check it. Come.
Come, put your helmet and let's get going.
Guys, we are not putting the mask because of...
There's no one over here.
There's
Entire area, lots and lots and lots and lots of trees.
water.
Chalo, chalo, hop in, Renan, hop in.
We don't walk down, no?
नहीं डैड जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे ना बेटा अंधेरा होने से पहले लेना है ना So here we come waterfall
To meet you.
to meet you. Ooh lala, it's going really steep.
How about go just falling on the waterfall?
No.
Wait, what? Okay, too steep.
It's a very very narrow road, steep road,
Jungle.
and both the sides it's dense forest. Literally feeling that we are walking in a jungle. See the darkness? Ooh lala.
And then
And
we
out
come
comes the sunshine.
When there's an opening, there's an end.
Yes. And there is some puddle of water, some muddy, swampy places. So small.
White water.
Oopsie-doopsie. Bikers are there. We can see some bikes parked over here. So I think we have reached the spot. So come down, buddies.
Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2. Here we go. It is a beautiful mountain on top over there. So there's a big vehicle also coming. Step back.
You take that, guys. We are going back. We are going back because it's getting late. Maybe we'll come other time because we need to go a little bit inside to the jungle. We are not prepared for that right now. So that's why we are going back. Anyways, it was a fun riding of this place.
And at least in here we came. What is that? Achut.
Mama, the
Up to
road. Mama, do you know the road which went up? No. It's the other side of the other mountain.
Yeah. Between two mountains.
And there's a river passing through it.
Oh Lord, look at these. Look at these. And they are waving. Oh baby. Oh,
Hey,
oh,
baby.
oh.
നമ്മളെ ടൈസന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലേ
Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Good. They have a Rottweiler kind of looking doggy over there.
You are Rottweiler. It's only puppy.
They are two kutti ones, but see the amount of barking they are.
They should have the attitude of Rottweiler. Rottweiler or Rottweiler?
And some plantation. Good thing is I've seen over here little bit place also people will plant at least banana trees by the roadside. So it's good. Greenery is good. And when it's needed, they can take the banana leaf and can prepare different type of dishes with that. Steaming it.
Just imagine getting up in this place in the morning, how beautiful it is.
Yeah. I think we should catch up in the morning, honey.
We should catch up in the morning, yeah.
Early morning. Look at that, some houses down over there.
Down there. Actually, this water is from Tanmala Dam. Did you tell them?
No.
Tanmala Dam is actually a irrigation dam. So they take water from Tanmala Dam to these areas because when water is scarce, I mean right now there's no scarcity of water. Let's take a
From
right
here
now.
we have to take a left.
Okay, I was almost missed my way road. Okay.
Our bit is going all down and down and down.
Is it scary?
Yes. Which gear are you driving in?
First gear?
First gear.
That's a tip, okay guys? The same gear you use it for coming up,
Yeah.
you should put the same gear.
Yeah, you
because
always tell me this.
you'll get some grips, you know, from here.
I think from here. Yeah. This side only. This side only. Right, right.
Yeah, people are coming from that side.
Yeah. Like there's no road and only the bumpy stones are there.
This eastern side of Kerala looks like this, guys.
Uh-huh.
Where the mountains are, you know. Look down.
Whoa.
Oh no,
Oh,
no. There's no breaker.
No. But we are there done.
We are doing the first gear.
First gear, huh?
Yeah. Just opposite that, we have another mountain. Just see that we are coming down from the mountain.
Hey,
This is the fun of riding a bike, right?
Correct. This fun we'll never get it in a four-wheeler.
If you are sitting in a car or jeep, you know, you don't feel this kind of thrill.
Correct.
And 11 kb is going on top. Okay, I think it's almost done. Continuously check. We are
Again, lots of banana trees. And now we are on the same Konala road, na honey?
yeah, now we are going towards Patanapuram.
We are going towards Patnapuram. Okay.
So nice and friend.
Hello. And this side is spectacular, guys.
I would like to ride a cycle or something.
Big land. I think they are doing all coconut plantation over here.
I think it used to be paddy field the olden time.
Uh-huh.
Now paddy is no more exists in this part of Kerala. Actually.
Okay.
It's not very profitable crop, I think.
This is a pond, honey.
Yeah, on our right side there's a pond. I think recently they cleaned it. Yartha Sameta they cleaned it. Before that we used to have that lotus flower, right?
Lotus, pink color lotus flower, yeah.
Used to be there. Now
I think the entire pond is trees. We don't find any lotus over there.
it belongs to a temple. Now you know what tree is that?
Palm? No, supari, no?
Yeah, Supad.
Yeah. Again, lots of banana trees.
Running wrong side.
Yeah, let's go.
But left.
Sorry,
And
let's
you were scared over there? You can go.
Me? No.
We are not scared of everything.
I was scared. We are like smelling the alcohol.
Rubber trees. Because of the wind, it becomes all tilted.
side,
No,
yeah.
yeah, falling this side. And what are these? Avlas? Gooseberries? No, it's a
No.
vegetable shop.
Small dog.
Oh wow, one
Bambi.
Steam roller.
Bambi nahi hai.
Steam roller.
Road roller. Road roller. Some places the road is bad. Baki ka roads are good. Blessing gardens.
You can't even imagine, okay, we were
Look at these trees.
temple, you know.
Look at these trees. Awesome, no? All tilted. This one, rubber trees.
funny thing about this place, those look quite interior and all. Look, it's so beautiful.
Mountain was so nice. Sorry guys, I couldn't catch that up.
This place has, highest land value. This area, too expensive here.
Okay.
Compared to other part of Patnavira, this place has the land value is a little bit higher.
Oh, Bapre. Why like that?
I think around 3 lakh, 4 lakh percent.
Oh, lush greenery.
I would like
In the
to.
lap of nature, right?
Yes.
I like to drive cycle in here. Full speed.
Very beautiful place.
40 kilometer go drive.
Although there's a big tower, electricity supplying tower, but wow, that height. And this side also. So friends, out of the 2 spots that we wanted to take you guys along with us, we were able to shoot only one, reach only one. The reason is the waterfall area was
We really wanted to go to waterfall.
Yeah.
We had the sound, and the place was getting darker and darker and
scary
darker.
in the forest.
Yeah. So we thought we'll gotta come to the daytime.
Yeah.
Yeah, early morning or something, so that we'll have more time to explore that place.
Yes.
That place looks really awesome. Yeah. This is another spot you may have watched in our other video.
Let
Yeah.
me remember.
You remember?
Birthday video, right?
Yeah, birthday video. This is another spot we are just thought of. We stopped here. Yeah, then we'll have our outro. Outro. Conclusion.
Outro.
Yeah. We need to end the video, right? So that's why we thought of coming to this beautiful place again. We went the other day
Trekking with Tyson.
trekking with Tyson this road.
Like mini trekking.
Yeah.
Not like
So when we'll go over there now?
now?
Check it on weekends.
Yeah, we'll
Early
check.
morning.
Yeah. That place is little, quite danger. Looks.
I think we need to climb up.
Yeah.
So kind of little trekking to be done. So
Some-
this friend, I think as much he told, I think there's another beautiful spot.
Yeah, there's a teak plantation over there.
Teak is teak.
Teak, yeah, teak.
Okay, so there's a teak
plant.
plantation. The beautiful spot exploring Kerala. And
Yeah.
remember, friends, we are not exploring usually the known places. We are trying to explore some untraveled roads, unknown places. So stay tuned with us. Do remember to like, share and subscribe our video. And don't worry, we're gonna go to the waterfall very soon, probably this Saturday.
Yeah. This Saturday, we promise you that we'll go over there.
Early
because
morning.
more than you guys, we really want to go that place, experience the beauty of wild. Wild. I mean, we really feel the wild nature over there, and the sound was coming from.
Very nice. It was so heartbreaking for me to actually leave that spot and come back without seeing the waterfall.
And see the guys. It's almost dark.
Yeah.
Around
Anytime it can
5:30.
rain. That's the reason we thought of. Okay, we'll
Whereas
check.
time-wise it is only 5:20.
Yeah.
But because in the afternoon we had a nice shower, so that's why. And Satish was actually telling we didn't carry the umbrella in a haste. So don't worry. This Saturday I will request Satish that we will go again to that spot, and definitely this time we will see the waterfall.
Yeah. So this month we're gonna have videos coming on every day.
Yeah.
At 12. Please continue to watch our video, and if you can just share.
Share it with your friends
Yeah.
in your WhatsApp groups. Just share it, everyone. Let everyone enjoy and explore Kerala Vista. See the beauty God has made this in this state, right? I'm mesmerized because I'm from North India. I'm really astonished. Anywhere you stand, everywhere Kerala is so beautiful.
Yeah. So we'll come to you guys every day at 12 noon. Yeah.
Oh, Rainen, what did you do?
What happened?
Playing with the mud. He dirtied his hand. I'll sanitize it. Okay, so friends, let us get going. Catch you tomorrow at 12. Till then, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.